Hi, I'm Mrs. Tolf, and today I'm going to teach you about the cup stacking game. It's a fun game you can play with everyday things that you can find around your house. I found these cups in my pantry. I used a Sharpie, or you can use a whiteboard pen to write the words or flashcards for equations, letters and sounds, numbers, really whatever you'd like to learn about. And they're pretty easy to also erase and reuse over and over again. Today we're working on digraphs, so I'm going to practice reading these words and I can stack them however I'd like. So I'm going to read it. My first word is then, chin, shed, what, and I can stack them however I'd like. You can tell today I'm working on digraphs, the w, ch, the, and sh sounds. You can also add variety by you reading the word and your child can try to find it. So for example, the word wet, and they try to find it and take it down. Shed, and try to find it. Have fun playing the cup stacking game.